Hi, I'm Charisse and I'm with Green Air Sense, and today I'm going to give a quick tutorial on our new little machine called the Scent Freezer. It's a wonderful little machine that can be wall mounted or used as a standalone. And if you wall mount the unit, it does come with a template for the mounting so you can align it properly. And we also suggest that you use professional grade Velcro strips at the bottom, which you can get at any hardware store, to kind of help secure it to the wall. It also comes with keys so you can lock it and nobody can get into it unless you have the key. So to operate the unit, the bottle inside just snaps out and you fill it with oil, and it has a little suction tube that will pull the oil up into a dry vapor and disperse into the air. There's a little hole on the back of this nozzle that lines up with this little tip. So when you're done filling it, you just securely snug that in until you hear it snap. It also can be operated by an outlet, electrical outlet, or 3 D batteries.
Yeah, and I understand that if it's on medium setting for about 10 hours a day, that the D batteries should last about a month.
Yes, correct.
Right.
And when you're done, just close your door, lock it up, and you are ready to program it. Now, to program the machine, which is Bluetooth, which is awesome, which means you can operate it from your Android phone or your iOS, your Apple phone. You can go to Google Play or your Apple Store and download the app. And the app is called Scent Marketing. And I'm going to show you on our little Galaxy tablet. Unfortunately, it is not available for the iPad, but if you have a Galaxy, an Android tablet, you can download it from there.
Yeah, but it uses the iPhone or the
correct, or the
Android
app,
phone.
Android phone, correct. So this is the little app. It's called Scent Marketing. And you want to make sure when you are searching for the device that you have it in front of the device, your tablet or your phone, whichever you're using. And it's going to come up this A501. That is the unit. So just click on that. Your password is always 8888, which you have the options later in settings to change that. So log in.
Turn it this way
And
because
if
the
you
light.
hear,
There you go.
if you just heard the beep, that means it found the unit, which is great. So now you can actually rename this. Say you want to use this for Hall 1. You would just label it Hall 1.
So if you have more than one, you would know which one that you're programming.
Correct,
in the
correct,
building.
correct. And then the label field, don't worry about that. Now we're getting into the essentials of the actual days of programming. So click that plus button, and your time is always in military time. So say you're open Monday through Saturday and you don't want to use it on Sunday. You would highlight Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then also say that you have an event from 11 to 12 and you don't want the machine running, or from 12 to 1 and you don't want the scent running. You could program this from 8 o'clock in the morning when you open until 11. And you would want to hit your intensity, which 1 is actually the
Lowest.
I get confused on this. It is the lowest. And in your little product manual, it does have a guide here that will show the intensity. So if you have it on 1, it's going to run and then it's going to shut off for 7.5 minutes.
That's on 4, 5.
It's on 6. I'm sorry, on 6.
Yeah, right. 1 is every 15 minutes. 2 is every 15.
My fault, correct. Yeah, you have, actually it's confusing. You have 2 lines here. So 1 is every 15 minutes, 2 is 13.5, and so on. Number 10 being the strongest setting, it's going to run every 1.5 minutes. So most of our customers use the 4, which runs every 10.5 minutes. So you would want to put this concentration grade on a 4. And then you always want to hit save. Whenever you do any kind of change, you want to make sure that you save it. Now, I want it to come back on at 1 o'clock and shut off at 5 when my business closed. So I would click this plus button. I would repeat Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Concentration of 4. And I want it to come back on at 1 in the afternoon, which would be 1300.
So basically you're just taking a break in between. You have that option to do that.
Yes. And I want it to shut off at 5, which is 1700 military time. We have concentration 4, and we have it off all day on Sunday because Sunday is not highlighted. And you would hit save. And now you have 2 options. So say you don't want either one of those to run, you're going to be gone for a whole week. All you have to do is just press this button, hit save, and it's going to remember that until you come back and turn these back on.
Excellent.
And if that's basically it. If you have any questions about the machine, you're not quite sure, you don't understand how to program it or how it works, you can email us at greenairsense@gmail.com, and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you very much.
Once your machine is plugged in, press the set button right on the control panel. It will beep, and that will show that there's 500 mils of oil left, as you can see right there. As the machine sprays, depending on how often, that number will go down on remaining, so you know how much is left in your bottle. That should make it easy for you to know when to reorder or when to refill. Thank you.